Most people think snoring is just annoying, but it could be a red flag for your heart. Studies show that frequent snoring may increase your risk of high blood pressure, stroke, and even heart disease. That loud snore could mean your airways are blocked, forcing your heart to work harder every night. Snoring often comes with fatigue, chest pressure, or poor sleep. Silent signals your heart may be under stress. The good news? Exercise, better sleep habits, and medical checkups can help reduce your risks. So don't ignore your snore. It might just save your heart in the long run. Hit like, share this with someone who snores, and don't forget to subscribe for more heart health tips.